SNAP can help you feed your family so you can focus on improving your economic situation. You can use your SNAP benefits to buy healthy, nutritious food from places like grocery stores and local farmers markets. You can even purchase fruit trees, seeds, or plants for your home garden. But be aware you cannot buy alcoholic beverages, cigarettes, ready-to-eat hot food, pet food, and household products. Never sell or trade your SNAP benefits for cash or non-food items. Workforce Services has an investigation team who monitors your benefits and SNAP EBT card transactions. Intentionally misusing your SNAP benefits is a federal crime that can result in fines and jail time. If you are pressured to misuse your SNAP benefits or know of others misusing their benefits, call our fraud hotline at 1-800-955-2210 or email our fraud team at wsinv@utah.gov for assistance. Remember, SNAP is meant to help you and your family in times of need.